Hello, everyone. Welcome to another edition of This Just In. My name is Marco, and I'm here all alone at the studio because Erica left me.
Not so fast, Marco.
Marco.
Yes, Marco.
My arch enemy from Italian Pod.
Sì, Marco, sono io, Marco from Italian Pod.
What are you doing here, Marco?
You should know better than me what I'm doing here.
Okay, Marco. Prepare to battle.
Hey, hold on, guys. Hold on, come on. What's going on
Leo from Spanish Pod.
Oh, Leo, hi, what are you doing
How's it
here?
going, Marco and Marco?
Hi, Leo. I just...
Leo.
How we're doing good, but you know, like...
Why?
You know, he's Marco, I'm Marco. I came... He just want to steal my place here.
My friends, this is Christmas. We're all a family here.
Yes, you're right. You have taught us the true meaning of the Christmas spirit.
Yes, only in a few convincing words, it just made me understand how beautiful it is in this special season to love each other and appreciate each other's company.
Exactly. We can all share a love together. Doesn't it, Marco?
Yes, you're right. So I guess...
I think he was referring to me. Yes,
I
you're
think
right,
it was
Leo.
me. I'm Marco.
No, but...
I'm hosting the show. So now let's look at the lessons that we have this week coming up on English Pod. We have a lesson about the bird flu.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Why?
Bird flu, like China bird flu?
Like chicken bird flu.
Is it dangerous?
It's very dangerous.
Oh.
So we're going to teach you some great vocabulary about planning for the bird flu. We also have a great New Year's lesson for New Year's resolutions.
What's your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution for 2009 is drink more water. It's true. It's true. Hi.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
What's yours?
one. That's a
You're
good one.
laughing. What's yours?
Mine?
Yes. Leo from Spanish Pod. What's yours?
Mine is to study harder Chinese to get to speak Chinese by the end of the year.
That's a good one.
Do you like that one?
All right.
That's a good one.
And Marco from English Pod.
My New Year's resolution, you'll have to hear the lesson to find out.
Oh.
Yeah. And our last lesson for next week, we're going to be asking for time off. We're asking for vacation.
Cool. I like
that's
vacations.
that's something that everybody should learn.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
us today, we're going to take
Everybody.
vacation.
Yeah, we're gonna take vacation thanks to this lesson because before I tried, I didn't succeed.
See, you didn't have the proper vocabulary.
Yeah. My boss looked at me and was like, "What? I don't understand."
Yeah, our bosses are Anglophones. Can you say that in English?
Yeah,
Anglophone.
they're Anglophone. And I used to be an Anglophobe.
So we're trying to explain, hey, I want to go out.
Yes.
How do you say it?
Yeah,
I
I
want
want
to
to
party. I want to relax.
go home.
And he was like, "What?
No, go back to work.
Go
Yeah.
back to work."
Yeah.
He just wants us to work and work and work.
But now, thanks to EnglishPod.com, we are all better men.
Yes, we are. All right, everyone. We're out of time today for This Just In. I hope you had fun with us, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year from Marco too.
Marco, and from Leo from
So
Spanish
you're
Pod.
Marco number 2.
No, I'm Marco TOO too.
Oh, I
Also
thought you
Marco.
mentioned yourself. You call
No.
yourself Marco too.
No, he's Marco too. I was here first.
All right, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We'll see you.
Ciao.
Bye. EnglishPod.com